Talixian wolves, or more commonly known to the Eltis simply as Tal's wolves, are a species belonging to the Talixian organism group. More specifically, Talixian wolves are a white type. Currently, there are 4 color classifications: the red, black, gray, and white. Those who fall under the white classification are considered mysterious and harmless. Within Tal's biology, these creatures also belong to the Talixian associator category. Wolves share the same biological grouping as Talixian dogs, which are also referred to as Talixian associators. We'll cover more of the two later. Considered a sacred animal dating all the way back to ancient times, Talixian wolves are an object of faith and worshipped by the traditional northern people. This form of religious belief carried itself throughout time into the modern era, including civilized societies. Within Shig culture, the word Zen means god, or the god of the forest in their tongue. This is also a common name used in referring to wolves as a species. It is worth mentioning that the word Zen also refers to Rain's Talixian wolf named Zen. The name Zen is not unique to any specific individual or Talixian wolf. As mentioned earlier, Talixian wolves are classified as Talixian associators. Because of this, they share a similar appearance to their cousins, Talixian dogs, though appearances can be deceiving, as Talixian wolves have a completely different biology compared to dogs. It is worth noting the exact biological relationship between the two has not been elucidated. Talixian wolves cannot reproduce and do not eat. They do have long lifespans, but cannot be domesticated like Talixian dogs. While sharing a common point in being friendly to the Eltis, their biology and ecology show strong differences. However, any biological fact suggesting an evolutionary split somewhere in the animal's past hasn't been fully explored. The relationship between wolves and dogs is shrouded in a veil of mystery. On ancient Tal, there were considerably more wolves. During the modern era, the species is a rare sight and is considered a legendary animal from the depths of the forest. Talixian wolves have wing-like plates with the ability to fold away, though they cannot be used to fly. These plates are incredibly sharp, which can be used as a weapon by the wolf. The Eltis people even refer to these appendages as wolf blades. Talixian wolves are a single species, meaning there are no variations in their fur color. Their fangs are referred to as horns by the Agudner, while the term fang is used by Sergals. Talixian wolves will leave the forest according to the season. They will congregate together in groups where large amounts of sunlight can be found away from the miasma. An example would be the Tatla Desert. Here, they unfurl their wing-like plates and perform photosynthesis. Afterwards, the Talixian wolves return to the forest once they have stored enough energy. Even though they have jaws, Talixian wolves do not traditionally eat like other creatures. Instead, they will use their fangs to kill larger Talixian animals as an offensive weapon. Another form of biological weaponry is the bladed sections on their wings, using them to cut through Tal's carnivorous overgrowth. Northern circles worship Talixian wolves as the incarnation of the forest, considering them, as a rule. Those who call the North their home believe a wolf to be mystical, going as far as to model parts of their lifestyle after the behavior of the animal. Forming an attachment to the creature, Northern circles will use wolf corpses when found to craft accessories and objects. These hold a special, spiritual significance. Talixian wolves are a mysterious creature, exhibiting a strange form of intelligence, as the animal acts on its own intentions, a large reason why they cannot be domesticated or tamed. Rain and Zen are the only known examples of Talixian wolves accompanying an Eltis, serving as a caretaker.